Role Play Equipment is thrilled to present our Duck Spring Rider, product code PSR12, and Bike Spring Rider, product code PSR10, outdoor play equipment designed especially for young kids aged 2 to 5 years. The Duck Spring Rider measures 2 feet in length, 1.3 feet in width, and stands 2.5 feet tall, while the Bike Spring Rider is 2.6 feet in length, 1 foot in width, and has a height of 3.4 feet. Both spring riders are designed for one child to play at a time, providing a fun, safe ride experience. The Duck Spring Rider comes in vibrant yellow and red, with 2 handles on either side of the duck's head, allowing kids to maintain a secure grip. The Bike Spring Rider has a lively blue color with various colorful parts and 2 handles at the front for a safe, steady hold. Our Spring Riders feature a sturdy, weather-resistant construction that is reliable and designed to last in all conditions. Non-toxic, food-grade colors are used to ensure child safety, and the perfect design provides ease of use and maximum enjoyment for little ones. These Spring Riders are built with a strong yet safe structure, combining fun with safety and making them the perfect addition to any outdoor playground.